Hey friends, thanks for joining me for math today. Today we're going to work on lesson 8.9, which is about related addition and subtraction, similar to number bonds or fact families. So Trevor collects 38 acorns. He collects 10 more. He gets 10 more acorns. So that sounds like it's going to be an addition problem. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to write that just right up here. He had 38 acorns, and then he is going to collect or get or add 10 more, okay? And how many acorns does Trevor have? So let's start at the number 38 on our number chart, and we know that if we want to add 10, we are going to go down one box, because this would be 10 more, and then one up would be 10 less. So if we're going to add 10, we are going to be at the number 48. So that means that if we have 38 acorns and he adds 10 more, he gets 10 more, he's going to have 48. Okay, so now Trevor has his 48 acorns, and then he's going to give 10 to his little brother. So if he's going to give them away, that means he's not going to have them anymore. It means he is going to subtract his acorns. So I'm going to go ahead, and that sounds like a subtraction problem. So I'm going to start with 48, and he's going to give 10 away. So if we're at 48, and we go up one box, which is 10 less, subtracting 10, we end up at 38. So I'm sure you have noticed that 38 plus 10 equals 48 has the exact same numbers as the subtraction sentence, 48 minus 10 equals 38. So that is like a number bond, which we have done a lot of. Okay, friends, so let's go ahead and draw our number bond using 38, 10, and 48. So we know that a number bond is kind of like a triangle. So we'll have 48 at the top, 10 over here, and 38. So we know that 38 plus 10 equals 48. We know that 48 minus 10 equals 38. And so that is our number bond. That's a related addition and subtraction fact. Okay, so let's move on to the next page. Okay. So the model and draw page here, you can use a 100 chart to find the sum and the difference. So we're going to use 29 plus 40. So we're going to start at 29. And since we know that going down one box means adding 10, we're going to go down 4 times to add 40. So go ahead and count with me. 10, 20, 30, 40. And we end up at 69. So because we know that 29 plus 40 equals 69, then we also know the subtraction version of that. So 69 minus 40, so if we start at 69 and we go backwards 4 boxes, which is subtracting 40. So go ahead and count with me. 10, 20, 30, 40. We end up right back at 29. And we can use our number bond to show that. So that was 69, 40, and 29. So we know that 69 minus 40 is going to give us 29. We know that 29 plus 40 is going to give us 69. All right. So it says use the 100 chart to add and subtract. You can count up and count back by tens, because all of these are going to be adding or subtracting just tens. So 56 plus 20, we can start at 56. And since we are adding, we're going to go down on the number chart to make, because when we add, we make the number bigger. So we're going to start at 56 and then count down, counting tens each time. So start at 56, 10, 20, and we end up at 76. So using our number bond, we have 56, 20, and 76. So if we're going to make another number sentence, a subtraction sentence using all three of those numbers, we have 76 minus 20 equals, it's going to be 56. Let's go ahead and check our answer just to be sure. So let's start at 76 right here. Okay, if we minus 20, if we subtract 20, we're going to go up 2 boxes. Count with me. 10, 20. And look at that, it puts us at 56. And so that's the same as a number bond triangle. So you could have 76 up here, you have 56 down here, and you have 20 over here. You don't have to draw the number bond if you don't want to, but sometimes that helps. So number 2, 48 plus 50. So we are going to start at the number 48. And if we are going to add, go ahead and tell someone in your house which way on the number chart we're going to go. If we're adding, will we be going down or will we be going up? Fantastic, that's right, we're going to be going down. And since we are adding 50, that's 5 tens. So we'll go down 5 boxes. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So we end up at 98. So if you want to use a number bond to solve this, we've got 98 at the top. I always like to put the largest number at the top. 48 on one side of our number bond and 50 on the other side of our number bond. So 48 plus 50 equals 98. So if I have 98 and I take away 50, I'm going to have 48. So let's go ahead and check our answer using the number chart. So we're going to start with 98. We'll start here. And then if we're going to subtract 50, we're going to make the number less. So we're going to go up 5 boxes to find the difference. So 98, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Look at that. We end up at the number 48. So what I would like you to do is do this side on your own and do this side as well. The Think Smarter question, the one where our brains really grow, we can do that one here together. There are 73 bees in a hive. 10 bees fly away. That sounds important. I should probably underline that. Then 10 more bees fly into the hive. How many bees are in the hive now? So I think that 10 more bees is probably important, and that there are 73 bees altogether. So there were 73 bees first. Now, if 10 bees are going to fly away, tell someone in your house if that's going to be addition or subtraction. You're right, it is going to be subtraction. So let's use our number chart. We'll start at the number 73. And if 10 bees are going to fly away, we want 10 less. So we want to go up 1 box, which is 63. So since we are doing 10 less, we're just going to subtract those 10 bees that fly away. And that gives us 63 bees. But oh wait, we're not quite done yet. So then 10 more bees are going to fly into the hive. So right now there's 63 bees. There are 63. And then 10 more bees are going to fly into the hive. If those bees are coming into the hive, is that going to be addition or subtraction? Tell someone in your house. You're right, it's going to be addition. So then we can start at 63. And we can add 10 more, which is going down one box on our number chart. So go down, and we have, or we're subtracting 10. Or no, we're adding 10, I'm sorry, because those 10 bees are coming into the hive. So if we're at 63, and we add 10 more, we go up one box, which gives us 53. That gives us 73. We're going down one box. My bad. Okay, so now there are 73 bees in the hive. Now we can use a number bond for that as well. I'm going to go ahead and use my whiteboard here. So there were 73 bees in the hive, and then there's 10 and 63. So if there were 73 bees and 10 of them flew away, if we subtracted 10, then there were 63 bees left. If there were 63 bees and then 10 of them flew into the hive, so 63, 10 more flew into the hive, then there would be 73 bees total. All right, friends, thank you so much for joining me today. If you would like to work on this together, you are more than welcome to drop in during office hours. Hope to see you there. Thank you.